Welcome. If you're looking to update your name on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. Whether you want a fresh start, a new identity, or just a fun nickname, changing your display name on X is quick and easy with the latest update. Let's walk through the steps together so you can make your profile truly yours. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page, where all your tweets and information are displayed. Now, on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually right at the top, easy to spot. Click on it, and you'll enter the editing mode for your profile. Here, you'll see several fields you can update, but for now, focus on the name field at the top. Click into the name field, delete your current name, and type in the new name you want to display. This could be your real name, a nickname, or anything that represents you best. Remember, this change will only affect your display name. The username or handle you use to log in and that others use to tag you will stay the same. Once you're happy with your new name, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the editing window. Click Save, and just like that, your new display name will appear on your profile and next to your tweets instantly. Changing your display name is a great way to keep your online presence fresh and relevant. If you ever want to switch it up again, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new look on X.